Hello friends, myself Vinay Bhatt. So in this video I am going to tell you about hash set. Friends, hash set, it is a collection used to store unique values. Means it will not store the duplicate values, and internally it uses hash table for the storage of the elements. Suppose for example I am creating the new hash set. I am creating the object here set, which is the interface. This set interface will extend my class hash set class. I have created the set. Basically it will take only one type in the angle bracket. It will not have key value. It will only have one value, which I have kept as string type. Hash set is my object of hash set. Then new hash set means internally a constructor will be called of hash set. Hash set constructor is called. Then I am adding the elements one by one on the hash set object. Hash set object dot add. It has add method, while in hash map it was put method because it was key and value pair. Then after calling the add method, this add method is of boolean type. So when I am adding the element, I am adding the object string object as 1 one. I am adding the string object two. Then I am adding the again 3 string object. So friends, what happens when I will iterate the hash set? So it has also 3 ways to iterate the hash set collection. First one is loop. So this is very simple. I will use the for loop. Then inside this parenthesis I will use the element type. What type I have in the hash set? So I have used here string type. So I will write here string. Then this will be my any variable which will hold the elements of hash set. Then colon my hash set object. Then inside for loop I will print the elements. So one by one it will iterate the values of hash set. Okay. Second method is iterator. So iterator method is also we can use. Iterator method I will call from the hash set object hash set dot iterator method, and it will be of iterator type. So in the left hand side I have used the iterator interface, which will take the iterator method. Then after iterating this itr object, I will use in the while loop as itr.hasNext method. What hasNext method do? This hasNext method is also a boolean type which returns whether set has element or not. So I will print the system.out.println, and inside that println method I will print the elements using itr.next method. itr.next method will give me the corresponding elements. Okay friends. Hello friends. So third method is for each loop, which is simple as using Java 8. There is for each method. So from hash set object I will call for each method, and inside for each method I have to print the elements as system.out. Then I will use this double colon. So println method, it will give me all the elements line by line. Then how hash set works internally? So hash set uses hash map. So how it works? Let's see, this hash set is class which has the hash map or object which is transient, and there is a present variable which is of object type. Object is the superclass of all the classes. This object of type this superclass object has created, and the name is present. So this transient keyword, what it does, I will give you the brief introduction also of this transient keyword in my next video. So this hash set is the constructor. So when we create the object of hash set, so this constructor, first constructor is called. While creating the object, first constructor is called. So public hash set constructor. Inside this constructor, I have created the object of hash map, which is this map. So here it is just a variable, but now using new operator I have created its object. So this add method is of Boolean type. So when we will use add method of hash set, so what it does internally, inside add method there is a element of e type which is taking the element, whether the elements is of string type, integer type, double, any type. So inside add method it is returning map.put element, then present is equal to null, double equals null. So what it returns? Boolean returns true or false. So when one element is added in the hash set, so this map.put, this whole expression will return true. But when second time duplicate is added in hash set, so this returns false. So that is why if I will add the duplicates, hash set will not allow the duplicate elements. This is how it works internally. Second time map will not put the duplicate value. That is why this add method is returning map.put the element name, whatever it would be, string, integer type, any data type. Then present is my object which is of super class object, double equals null. So this will return true if one time element is added. If second time the same element is added, so this whole expression will return as false. Why? Because map will not allow the duplicate entry. It will simply return false. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and in my next video I will tell you about transient keyword, and I will tell you tree set collection also. So wait and watch. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.